So if I try to move now and then it's not working. So somebody wanted to know what a hill assist is, and I'm going to show you how to use it and what it's about. So in this car, you've got what's called hill assist, and it's supposed to help you move off on hills in a controlled way. This car that I'm using right now is a Ford Fiesta EcoBoost 2016, and to activate it, you press menu, and then you go down to vehicle settings, and you go down to hill assist, and you can turn it on or off. So right now I'm going to leave it off just to show you what it's like when the hill assist is off. So if I'm on a hill like this, even if I'm in gear 1, but as soon as I come off the brake, the car starts to roll backwards because we're on a hill and the gravity is pulling us down. What the hill assist is going to do is hold the car still for about 1.5 seconds, which gives you time to move your foot from the brake onto the gas. So let me put the hill assist on right now. So once it's on, you see when I come off the brake, the car doesn't roll backwards. It holds it still for a couple of seconds. That will give me time to go from the brake onto the gas, and just like this. So let's say I'm trying to move off, and we're going to go forward now. So off the brake, and then get to the biting point, and then add some gas. If I take too long though, and I don't go to the gas quickly enough, the car's going to roll backwards. Remember, it's only going to hold it for 1.5 seconds or so. So let me show you what I mean. So let's say now I'm on a hill, which I am, and I'll come off the brake, but then I take too long, it's going to start rolling backwards. Let's try it out on the road so I can show you exactly what I mean. So it's only going to work if I put the brake on properly. So right now I'm braking, and then I'm going to ease off the brake just before I come to a full stop. So I'm not braking really hard right now. And then if I come off the brake now, you see, the hill assist isn't activated. To activate it, I'll need to press the brake down a bit more like this, squeeze it down. And that way now, if I come off the brake, you see it holds the car still. Then I can get my biting point and then add gas and move off. An issue that some learners have is that they don't realize the hill assist is on, and that the hill assist is actually going to hold you for a couple of seconds before letting you go. So just as much as it helps you from rolling backwards, it also stops you from going forward as well at the same time. So right now I've got the hill assist on. So if I try to move now and then it's not working, and then I bring the clutch up higher to compensate, it's going to either give me a wheel spin or it's going to stall. So let me show you. So I'll get the biting point, and then I bring up too high because I'm thinking, why is it not moving? The reason it's not moving is because you've got to give it time for the hill assist to release your wheels, and then it's going to move just like this. So once I start moving, you see, give it some time, and then it's going to release the car. If you try to bring up the clutch too fast, it's not going to work. If you bring up the clutch too high, it's going to go too fast once the hill assist releases your car. An important thing to remember about hill assist is that it only works when it's quite hilly. It's not that steep actually here, but the car will still roll back if I come off the brake. So this is important to know as well, because if you're relying on the hill assist here, it's not going to work. The car is not registering that this is on a slope or on a hill. So in this situation, the hill assist is not going to be any good to you because the car thinks you're on a flat road. So in this kind of situation, it's good to get your biting point first before releasing the foot brake. That way you're not going to roll back just like this. Check out this other video where I explain why it's better to get the biting point first before releasing your foot brake.